Here back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if y'all new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. Today, as y'all can see, we back in the kitchen, so y'all know what that means, right? I got another banging recipe for y'all to try. Now today we're gonna be whipping up some garlic Parmesan wings, all right? These are a very, very trendy wing. You can find them in almost every bar and grill or restaurant, and they're real simple to make, okay? People just avoid it because they're lazy and they don't want to go to the store. But I'm gonna show you how simple it is to make these, all right? Let's get started. All right, guys, first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with some clean chicken wing sections, all right? To those chicken wing sections, we're gonna add a little bit of kosher salt, and then we're gonna come in with some garlic salt, all right? We want the base of those chicken wings to have some flavor. A lot of the flavor is gonna be in the sauce, but we do want to have some flavor beneath that sauce, all right? So next we're gonna go in with whatever your favorite all-purpose seasoning is. I'm using the Body of Complete because that's my favorite all-purpose seasoning, and we're gonna go in with some of that, all right? Next we're gonna go in some of that ranch seasoning. I really love this stuff. I don't know what it is about it, but it just adds a nice flavor to wings, okay? Next we're gonna go in with some onion powder, give it a nice sprinkle of that, and then we're gonna go in with some white pepper, all right? White pepper's basically white peppercorns instead of black peppercorn. They give like a lighter appearance to the wing instead of dark black pepper, you know. So next we're gonna go in with about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, all right? That's gonna give us a nice crispy exterior on these wings, and then we're gonna go in with about 1 teaspoon of baking powder, all right? Now the next thing may catch y'all by surprise, but yes, we're gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, all right? The mayonnaise is just gonna give us a nice, beautiful color on these wings when they come out the air fryer. All the seasonings and stuff are gonna stand up for that mayonnaise. You will not taste that mayonnaise at all, okay? We're gonna give these a nice mix, and we're gonna get these bad boys prepared for the air fryer, okay? Alright guys, so for our air fryer, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open that drawer, we're gonna spray it down with some cooking spray, whatever you got. As you can see, I use my air fryer a lot. I cannot get that grimy stuff from around the rim. I've tried almost everything. If anybody has any tips on how I can get that off, please let me know. But anyway, we're gonna put our wings in there, make sure they're, you know, spread apart, you know, so they can all cook around evenly. Then we're gonna put that air fryer on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, okay? Now everybody's air fryer is a little bit different, but with wings you always want to monitor your wings every now and then, all right? Every 10 to 15 minutes you want to monitor and make sure they're doing what they need to do, okay? So at about 15 minutes I checked on mine. As you can see, they started to develop a nice color, and then we just flipped them over, all right? Once we got them all flipped over, I sprayed them with a little bit more cooking spray, and then we threw them back in there for their lasting 15 minutes, all right? So as y'all can see, that right there is what putting mayo on your wings does, all right? Beautiful color. Let's make our sauce now, all right? So for our sauce, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about 4 ounces of Kerrygold unsalted butter and get that melted, all right? Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a lemon, we're gonna cut about a wedge off and just squeeze that in there as well. Just get the juice out of there, and then we're gonna move on to the parsley, all right? We're gonna chop up some parsley real nice and fine and throw that in there as well. So next we're gonna go on with one of my favorite seasonings, all right? It's a Parmesan and black garlic seasoning. It goes really well inside of pastas and these wings in particular too, all right? So we're gonna go on with some of that freshly grated Parmesan cheese as well, and then we're gonna go on with some of that garlic salt, okay? So next we're gonna go in with about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of garlic, all right? This depends on your tolerance of garlic. I don't have a high tolerance of garlic, but I do love garlic, all right? I just don't like it overpowering anything that I eat, okay? So as you can see, our sauce has a nice, beautiful consistency once we mix that in. So now it's time to sauce our wings up, all right? As you can see, that slow-mo shot right there just screamed crispiness, all right? These wings are perfectly crispy. That sauce is perfectly silky smooth, and it's time to toss them, all right? So yeah guys, just give those bad boys a nice toss until you feel necessary. Make sure that sauce is adhered to all of those wings. No wings shall be left behind. We're gonna plate these bad boys up, you know, in a nice sophisticated manner, and we're gonna get ready to eat, all right? Let's do this. All right guys, y'all know the drill. Food is done, we put in hard work, time to taste it. Let's get to it. Now these wings right here, guys, they don't miss, okay? They're top notch. Probably my top 2 or 3 favorite wing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of other restaurants, they drown them in garlic. The garlic is just overpowering. You get a garlic Parmesan, but you don't want, you know, just a strict garlic flavor in that wing. You want some other flavors in there incorporated into that wing to, you know, stimulate the taste buds all over the place. That's where the lemon comes in, the all-purpose seasoning, you know, the grated Parmesan cheese, and that black truffle Parmesan cheese seasoning that I like to use. That's where all this comes in mind, okay? But yeah, guys, I highly encourage y'all to try to make these. They're real simple, real easy. Throw them in the air fryer for, you know, 25, 30 minutes. Monitor them on each side. Make sure you're not overcooking them on one side or the other. And then bam, you got these beautiful garlic Parmesan wings, all right? But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching once again. Make sure if you're new to my channel, you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell that'll alert you anytime I'm gonna drop a video, okay? I'm a very broad person, so we do a lot of broad stuff on this channel, all right? I've been cooking a lot lately because I get a lot of good feedback for the cooking, okay? So we're gonna do some other stuff, but as of now, we're gonna keep it cooking. Everybody loves the cooking, so we're gonna keep doing that, all right? With that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all keep on learning, and I'll see y'all next time.